Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule meetings with Dola AI in 2026 using simple natural language messages. First, open Dola AI and make sure your calendar is connected. Depending on your setup, you can connect a supported calendar service and allow Dola to access your calendar information. Once everything is connected, you're ready to schedule your first meeting. To create a meeting, simply tell Dola what you need in a normal sentence. For example, you can type, "Schedule a meeting with Sarah tomorrow at 2 p.m. for 1 hour. Dola can interpret the person, date, time, and duration from your message and prepare the calendar event. Before confirming the meeting, carefully review the event details. Check the date, start time, duration, and any additional information you included. If something is incorrect, you can simply send another message asking Dola to change it. For example, you could say, "Move the meeting to 4 p.m." and Dola can update the requested details if the feature is available in your connected calendar setup. You can also include a meeting title and other useful information. For example, you might say, "Schedule a project meeting with the design team on Friday at 10 a.m. for 45 minutes. This makes it easier to keep your calendar organized and understand the purpose of each meeting.